Hello and welcome to this video on BankB's Bank Nifty in India. In this video, we will be discussing the concept of BankB's Bank Nifty, its meaning and significance in the Indian stock market. BankB's Bank Nifty is an index fund that is based on the Bank Nifty Index. The Bank Nifty Index is the index that tracks the performance of the banking sector in India. The BankB's fund is an exchange-traded fund ETF that is designed to replicate the performance of the Bank Nifty Index. The fund was launched in 2002 by Benchmark Asset Management Company Private Limited. It is managed by Reliance Nippon Life Asset Management Limited, which is one of the largest asset management companies in India. The BankB's fund is traded on the National Stock Exchange NSE in India. Why invest in BankB's Bank Nifty? Investing in BankB's Bank Nifty has several advantages. Firstly, it provides exposure to the banking sector in India, which is a key sector of the Indian economy. Secondly, BankB's Bank Nifty is a low-cost investment option as compared to investing in individual stocks. The fund has a low expense ratio, which makes it an attractive investment option for retail investors. Thirdly, investing in BankB's Bank Nifty provides diversification benefits to investors, as the fund tracks the Bank Nifty Index. It invests in a diversified portfolio of stocks across the banking sector. This reduces the risk of investing in a single stock.
How to invest in BankB's Bank Nifty.
Investing in BankB's Bank Nifty is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, an investor needs to have a demat account and a trading account with a registered stockbroker. Once the investor has these accounts, they can place an order to buy or sell BankB's Bank Nifty through their stockbroker. The fund is traded on the National Stock Exchange NSE in India and can be bought or sold during trading hours.
Conclusion.
To sum up, BankB's Bank Nifty is an index fund that is based on the Bank Nifty Index, which tracks the performance of the banking sector in India. Investing in BankB's Bank Nifty provides exposure to the banking sector in India, is a low-cost investment option, and provides diversification benefits to investors. The process of investing in BankB's Bank Nifty is simple and can be done through a registered stockbroker.